Hey guys, welcome back to MX5 Rusteration. In this video we're going to continue working on the disaster Datsun Z. Now you may have seen our last video where we've got this bulkhead section complete and that side section complete. Ow! Ow! Well, in this video we're going to continue on that bulkhead section, get it finally mostly welded in, mostly welded in because we don't have the flooring yet, but we'll do that in a later video. And we're also going to continue on this chassis rail and hopefully get this chassis rail buttoned up. So let's grab some tools and let's crack on. So what I need to do is I need to tack in this corner here. Now this bends too far down. You might be able to see that that's too far down here. So I do need to tack it just on this edge here, and then I can pull this section up, and then that should sort out that bit of an angle that I've got going on. I will reinforce it here as well because I do enjoy the shape of this. So I'm going to put another tack in there just so it doesn't move anywhere, and then I can bend this bottom section up and hopefully get this kind of in the right place. I can't get it 100% in the right place because the old floor pan or the old multiple layers of floor pan are still in there. So I need to take them out first, put the new floor pan in, offer that up, join that up to this. Hasta la vista, baby. I need to rebuild this section here. Right, so I've got all that section secure now, so I can actually pull this section up and tack it in. I think the best way of doing that is as follows. I'm actually quite happy how that turned out. Making this section that comes down here, quite thick metal, 1.5 mils. This is flat from here to, I'm going to make a cardboard template. Right, I've just kind of, this extends out here somewhere. It's going to be very close whether I can do it in one sheet of steel or not, because I've got to add 70mm onto this top section, and I've also got this little taper going on here. So I'm just going to nip back, measure that, and then come back. New workshop, same disaster Datsun. If you've not seen the new workshop video, then do check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. A lot of people said that I should have carried this on the fork truck straight to the scrap yard or the skip. But here we are, it's in the new workshop now. So you've just seen me cut this panel out in the previous workshop. So I've got this panel that's in the car currently. I do need to do a lot of amendments to it just to make it fit nicely. I need to cut this section down here a little bit more on the panel, that is, just to make it fit. So the rest of this video, I think I'm going to try and get this panel fitted correctly, and start refabricating this L piece for the top of the chassis rail. Now, we've done obviously the inside of this. This bulkhead section is tacked on now, so that's all done. Well, it's not done, but it's tacked on. Once I get this panel in here, get it fitted correctly, then I can finally weld this bulkhead section on, and then I can get this panel in here as well. before, after. So that piece actually fits quite nicely. It's only tacked in for now, just against the bulkhead section. So I do have to do a little bit more work to that, but it does fit quite nicely. Now, I do have to do more work obviously on the top of the chassis rail, the underneath of the chassis rail, but that is a major piece back into this disaster, and it's becoming a car again instead of just holes everywhere, which I'm quite happy about. So like I say, there's a bit more work. I've got a little band to put across the top of this section that I've just put in just to close that gap, and yeah, the chassis rail I need to do as well. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. In our next disaster Datsun video, we're going to be continuing tackling this inner wing and buttoning up this chassis rail. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and with that being said, we will catch you in the next one.